Hi everyone, welcome to Prarthana's Eating Vibes. It's me, Sangeeta Sudhir. Today I am here with a special recipe that is Kerala Parota and vegetable kuruma. It is a lockdown special recipe using easily available ingredients at home. If you prepare this dish with my recipe, you will get the similar taste and flavor like that of restaurant. This dish has one more specialty that this kuruma is totally oil free. So let us get into our recipe. Take 2 cups of maida, add salt, add sugar, and here I am taking 1 teaspoon of sugar. Here I am not adding milk, I am adding only water. Now our dough is ready. Grease it with some oil. Now our dough is ready. Rest it for half an hour. By the time, let us make oil-free vegetable kuruma. For vegetable kuruma, I have taken 1 carrot, 1 onion. I have taken 1 onion, out of which half is used here and other half will be used to grind masala. 1 potato, small tomato and beans, green chilli, ginger. Now we are going to make paste. Half cup of coconut, to this I am going to add cashews, green chilli, ginger, half onion roughly chopped. Here I have taken less quantity of masalas, otherwise it will be over flavored and will not taste good. 1 cardamom, 3 cloves, small piece of cinnamon and black pepper, fennel seeds, water and make a paste. Now our masala paste is ready. I have cut veggies in small pieces. Now take a cooker and add carrot, potato, onion, tomato, beans. Also add slit chilli and add some water. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and cook it for 3 whistles. I have taken it after half an hour. Let us make balls out of it. We have made balls. Take a small ball and dust it with maida and roll it. Here I have made small balls. You can make bigger balls if you want bigger parota. Roll it long. Now apply some oil. And dust some powder. Now fold it like pleats. One side, then opposite side. Again. You have to make small pleats, otherwise parota will not be layered. Then after making pleats, you have to fold like this. See? Now You have to apply oil and the opposite side also, and rest it for half an hour. Let us do the same with remaining balls. We have done all of it. Now rest it for half an hour. My vegetables are cooked. I am going to add ground masala paste. Here I have taken these vegetables only. You can add other vegetables like green peas and cauliflower if it is available at your home. I have added some water also and let it boil. At this time, check the salt. I need some more salt. You can add depending upon your taste. In this, you need not have to add chili powder because we have already added black peppercorns and green chilies. And this curry is oil free curry. It is boiling. Now add some curry leaves and turn off the gas. At this time you can add some coconut oil for flavor, but I am not adding here because this is oil free curry. Half an hour is over. Now let us roll it. Here we should not use maida. We are going to use oil for rolling. We have rolled it. You can see here there are many layers. Let us roll remaining like this. Tawa is heated. You have to keep the flaming high. Now see the bubbles are coming. See, our parota is almost ready. Now you must have understood the reason for making oil-free kurma. It is because we are using a good amount of oil for making parota. Now do the same process for all other parotas. Don't use ghee or butter. For Kerala parota, use only vegetable oil. After making parotas, you have to crush like this so that the layers come out. Crushing, see the layers. It is very soft, so make sure that roll the dough thin and long before making pleats. Otherwise, parota will be hard. I am getting tempting smell of kurma. I can't wait to eat it. So, please try this recipe. You will all love it. Thank you for watching our video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. And also don't forget to like, share and let me know your suggestion through comments.